What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in once again for my videos. As you guys can tell by the title and from what's behind me, I got some engine stuff going on right here. And what it's going to be right in this box right here. So let's go ahead and start opening this box and check out what I got from my car. So before I open up the box, let's go ahead and take a look at what this stock engine bay looks like right here. All I got right here is just an intake strut bar, and that's basically it. When I go to shows, I pop my hood open, but there's not much for them to see. That's why I added the starlights up here. If you guys haven't checked out the reel, check that out on my page. But yeah, guys, this is how other people see it, and there's nothing too fancy about it. The exterior looks great because of the wide body and the color and the wheels and being on air ride, and everything looks pretty good on the outside. The interior looks pretty good as well with the starlights and everything. The trunk, you guys have seen that, looks pretty nice as well. But yeah, the only thing that I'm missing out on right now is the engine bay right here. So that's where the box comes in. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I got the box all cut open here. So let's go ahead and open up this box and check out what's inside. All right, so like I said, the main reason why I got what I got in here is because I wanted to dress up the engine bay a little bit more. And I haven't seen anybody, any other 3IS Lexus out there that has what I have in here. They might have a little bit, but not all the pieces that I have. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys what I got. The seller sent me some shirts that came with it, Password JDM. That might give you guys a little hint of what I got. So here is the first piece. You guys getting a kind of idea of what I got right here. Here's another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this out, lay it out, and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, so here are all the pieces laid out right here. Here's the valve cover replacement, Password JDM badge. This right here is the ECU cover, fuse cover. I think this one goes on the right side, well, the left side, and the right in front of the driver, in front of the passenger. I think this is the battery one. I'm not too sure what this one is. It has the same opening as the battery one over here, so maybe it's like a smaller cover for it. But if I use that one over here, maybe I will use this one for something else. We'll see. Yeah, this is how it is. This is made out of Kevlar. A lot of people go carbon fiber, but I wanted to spend a little bit more money and go Kevlar. And again, this is Password JDM. So it's pretty good quality. These are very lightweight. It looks pretty good. So yeah, bring up all that. We'll be going into here. I guess gotta take out the strut bar. Strut bar can't stay anymore. Take out the old cover and make everything fit. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's start with the most obvious piece, which is the engine cover right here. And I'm pretty sure that goes something like this. Oil cap is right here. The dipstick. So they go like this. I got to put, there's like a little, some thread right here that I could put a bolt in there. So that's what I will be doing. So right now I'm going to just lay everything out where I think that it goes. This right here for the battery. I got my battery tender line right here. So get that out of the way. So for these two pieces, it's pretty easy to install. There's like Velcro underneath, but right now I'm going to just lay it over for you guys here. And then this final piece right here will go over the brake reservoir here. So everything would be sort of like that. What do you guys think? I think that it covers a lot of space, which is good. There's just like random stuff all over here. Let's see where is. I also have this piece, which I found out that it would go right here to cover the battery by itself. But I think with the cutout the way that it is, I might put it like over here to cover the air box to kind of balance everything out. And then I'll just cut it right here so that it covers the filter, and then make a bracket and tie it somewhere so that it just covers it right here. So it'll be somewhat like that, except for it'll be cut and it'll be nicely mounted and flush. Well, let me know what you guys think. I mainly got this because I think that it'll look good for the shows that I'll be going to. I do have a show coming up in a couple of days, and then this just further sets me apart from the other Lexus that I see out there. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and button everything down, make sure that everything is fully installed, and I'll show you guys how everything looks like when I am done. All right, guys, I just finished installing all the covers onto the engine bay, and I could say that it does look pretty good, and it does cover a lot of things. So I did customize the intake filter cover like I was telling you guys about. But yeah, here it is right here. So let me know what you guys think about these covers right here. Yeah, I think that everything looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Got the Password JDM right here, and everything should close pretty good. This is the intake box cover is the only one that I'm really worried about because that one's not supposed to be there. But I think everything should be okay. So yeah. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So like I was telling you guys earlier, I got the Clean Culture show to go to in a couple of days. But it's 1 a.m. right now, so I am exhausted from working and then coming in here, working doing this car here too. But yeah, guys, I gotta take the car outside tomorrow and wash it and get it ready for the car show. But yeah, that's how it looks right here. I think right here just looks so good. It just covers everything, and I think the Kevlar is really different. And yeah, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. We will take the car outside, give it a wash, and then I'll show you guys the cars at the car shows too. So see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Got the car pulled out, getting it ready to wash and prep for the car show. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so all the prep work for the show is all finished now. Got my interior all nice and clean. My bay is clean here as well. I had to just clean some cracks and crevices around the bay just to make it show quality right there. But yep, the car is all clean, ready for the show tomorrow. So I guess I'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow when I head over to the show. All right, guys, I got my car all ready, and I'm here at the show now. Pretty good turnout of show cars. It's kind of windy. I'll show you guys some of the cars that are here at the show right now. Alright guys, I am home from the car show. It was a pretty good show. Like the last hour, I was just sitting in the sun and I got kind of burnt right here, which is not good for an event that I have coming up in a few, like 3 weeks, that you guys will probably go along with me there too. But yeah, getting a tan for that event is not going to be good. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoy the covers that I got onto the car. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.